And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the 1TB version. I went out and bought it, and we're about to open it and see what this thing looks like. Probably going to be a very boring unboxing. Oh, I can't even get... there it goes. Still not... there we go. What do we got in here? It looks like we've got the little pin there for changing the SIM card. USB-C to USB-C. The paperwork. We'll have a look at that in a second. And the phone itself. A bit of weight to it compared to my other one. This is the one with the titanium that they're referring to. Let's see how this goes. Oh, okay. And off it goes. And there we are. Pretty boring sort of unboxing. And this is the instruction manual. I believe that's what it is. We have Samsung Care. That's a bit of info on that. And this one, this is the warranty card for Australia only. And that's everything that came in the box.